Hey, realtors, is getting a steady stream of high quality leads for your real estate business turning out to be harder than you thought? Well, over the next few minutes, I'm going to introduce you to a system that allows you to attract and connect with high value buyers and sellers easily, consistently, and predictably. And the cool part is that none of it involves cold calling expireds or FISBOs, harassing your sphere of influence, wasting money on paid leads, or any of that frustrating techie stuff. Hey, I'm Jonathan Zabraki. I'm a realtor just like you, and I have been exactly where you're at right now. Before selling over 424 million of plain vanilla residential real estate in 2 different states where nobody knew me from Adam, I would spend days cold calling low quality leads, dealing with low priced homes, and dealing with people that weren't that great to deal with. So Katie told me, hey, I need to find a different job or a different way to do residential real estate. And I started doing the exact opposite of what every other traditional realtor was doing. And that's when I started to see real success. I broke free from the 60 to 70 hour work weeks, the low paying clients, the endless cold calling. So let me show you how our CPS3 system has transformed the careers of myself and thousands of other real estate professionals. CPS3 is a complete, proven, simple signature system. It's complete because you don't need anything else. You don't need to try and Frankenstein things together or do a bunch of different components. It's a proven system. It's helped me and realtors in all 50 states and in Canada generate multiple 6-figure incomes. There's nothing to figure out. It's plug and play, rinse and repeat. Now, traditional realtors and all the high-priced coaches and gurus will have you believe that the way to succeed in residential real estate is to hustle and grind, never take no for an answer, push, push, push until you make it. But that just is not true. Because even if you are one of the few who succeed financially, working 60, 70-hour work weeks, evenings, weekends, away from home, no vacations for years, how much fun are you really having? And what are your relationships like with your friends and your family? Well, with the CPS3, we have 11 different ways of attracting, connecting with the cool premium leads, shopping in the top 50% of your market's price point. So let me give you a quick example of just one of the 11 ways. Emily, she's a brand new realtor, and this is the method she used to not only get under contract with a new buyer, but it also put her in directly in front of more buyers and sellers shopping for homes in the $1 million ballpark. She simply hosted an open house. Now, I'm sure open houses are not new to you, but this is how Emily stood out and was different with the CPS3. You see, in a nutshell, CPS3 is simply doing common things in an uncommon way. First, the open house wasn't even her listing. She used my simple and proven script to convince another realtor to let her hold an open house for this high value listing. Then she didn't haul a truckload of doodads and other realtor whatnots into the house. Instead, she just went in fast and easy. And when visitors arrived, she didn't immediately demand they sign in, take her business card. Instead, she welcomed them with a joke and a smile, made them feel comfortable and at ease. Then she didn't force them to spend 30 minutes with her on a pre-planned tour. Instead, she told them they were welcome to stay for 2 minutes or 2 hours. They could stay as long or as short as they liked, but she wasn't serving them lunch. The last thing she did was she simply asked the visitor if they wanted to buy it. And whether they said yes or no, she was happy with the answer. If they said yes, of course, Emily would work with them and write up the offer. If they said no, she simply asked them if it would be okay if she helped them get what they want. And with this strategy, Emily was not only able to secure a new buyer client, but she was also invited to host another listing of another agent's 975K home. Lydia is another realtor. Using this strategy, she hosted 2 virtual opens, 1 live open. She generated over 80,000 in closed GCI just from those 3 open houses. Now, if you want the full strategy that Emily, a brand new realtor, used to get her first buyer client in front of a 975 house, all you need to do is attend my upcoming live 3-day CPS3 event. On the first day of the event, I spent an hour and a half going over every step of this strategy with all the scripts, even the tone of voice you need to use to experience a predictable stream of income month after month. To get started, just click the link right here to sign up for my upcoming live CPS3 event. And remember, during this event, I'm going to show you more than just this one open house strategy. I'm going to show you all 11 completely different ways of attracting, connecting with cool premium leads, shopping in the top 50% of your market's price point. You can sign up right now. Use the links on this screen. But don't procrastinate in registering. Again, this is a live online event. Our broadcasting platform only allows 100 seats, and once those seats are sold, there is nothing we can do. It's not like a live in-person event where we can offer like standing room only. Every event we've hosted in the past year and a half has sold out, and realtors who waited until the last minute missed their chance. So make sure you click the link on the screen, secure your seat, and I will see you soon.